Gotta get down with this. Gotta get down with this. Gotta get down with this. If you wanna exist, you gotta get down with this.
They were talking about TABU in the house of Dana. This perfume is probably the first perfume I've ever smelled as a baby because it was my mom's perfume. And this was her signature scent. She wore this when it was time to do a PTA meeting. Whenever we'd go out to dinner as a family. And if I said, "What's mom's fragrance?" everybody in the family knew. TABU. She wore that TABU. All right. Now, upon my investigation, looking more into this fragrance and the origins of it, I was shocked that it was actually released in the year of 1932. That says something about this perfume to me, that it would be in production this long. I believe they are still making it. I just got as far as the Cologne Caddie goes, I don't wear female fragrances per se, but there are ones that I do enjoy, and I'm basically just trying to build up my collection of the fragrances that I remember the women in my life wearing, just to show people, that they are great fragrances. Now, TABU is not, would not be considered like a floral type scent. It's not a gourmand. It doesn't smell like any kind of food. It's just a really strong, polarizing. When this fragrance enters the room, it fills the room immediately, and you know that somebody is serious about getting your attention. To me, it's not for a younger woman, even though my mother probably wore it her whole life. This was her main one. The original formulations of these type of fragrances they didn't use a lot of synthetic stuff. It was all real ingredients. And, if you can pick up a bottle of this and add it to your collection, it would be a nice, well, for nothing else, just along the legacy of it. If you could just let people know that this thing's been out since 1932, that to me is just, I keep going back to that. It's really impressive. So, this is a female fragrance. I wouldn't say it's unisex at all. I don't think I would really wear it as a man. But maybe you could. You could, but I think this is really intended more for females. Madam Wisdom, this is my Cologne Caddie. Come along with the journey, build your own collection, and let's have some fun smelling great. You'll see me next time.
Representing the one and only, increasing the soul count, every step taken on this journey.
This is a dangerous group that we're dealing
We gotta hit
with.
the streets and take the streets back. Now it's our time. Run out the churches, hide armored up in Sunday service. Dropping traditions for righteousness, strengthening your courage. Prepare yourself. It's time for you to get ready. Destiny awaits. It's about to get real heavy. So let our marching martyrs assemble. We're billions strong and rising our number. Make the earth tremble like an earthquake. Shattering